If you're passionate about video games, and if you want to train professionally and learn the skills necessary to work in the game industry as a game designer or a game programmer, we have a training program that will help get you there. DBGA Online Blended, a training program created by the Digital Bros Game Academy where you can acquire job-ready industry skills. Whether you're a novice or have experience developing games, we have a program that caters to your needs. This is ideal for people who may be working or studying who want to learn at their own pace. Deep and specialized training by industry professionals with flexibility. That's always accessible. We offer 2 online professional training courses, game design and game programming. Both are based on our practical, hands-on approach, where you will not only be learning the underlying logic and methodologies of game design and game programming, but you will also be using your knowledge to make games, tools, and develop projects with other students, just like you would in a software house. You'll be working in development engines like Unity and Unreal, and based on the course you choose, writing code in C# and C++, and preparing game design documents to create exciting, great games. Online courses are structured in 3 progressive levels of study to guide you and help you acquire the full skill set you'll need for a job in the industry. We know that developing is believing. So we want to invite you to start your training journey with our free demo. We want to give you free on-demand lessons of either game design or game programming that will provide you with the basics to take the first steps into the incredible world of game development. We look forward to seeing you on the DBGA Online Blended training courses and to helping you realize your future and develop your skills for the industry.